It cost me £85 to have my private citizenship ceremony. It is a very memorable moment. So obviously it's a citizenship ceremony. It's got, if I tell you guys that this was literally the shortest ceremony of my life, it was like in and out.
Problem in all the feeling. Make you try to enjoy. Make we dance like
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me once again back onto my channel. My name is Belinda, and if you've not already subscribed, please don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as turn on your notification bell so that you get a notification every time I upload. So as you guys read, once again guys, we are back with another British citizenship application video, guys. This is basically step 6, so we are almost there. Okay, so I have recently been approved for my British citizenship. How exciting. So I have gotten my email on the 14th of February stating that my British citizenship application has been successful. So in this video I am going to talk to you guys about getting approved for my British citizenship, as well as booking for my British citizenship ceremony and my overall experience. So that is what I'm going to discuss in this specific video. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So for those who are new to my channel, I have recently created a series on this channel in regards to applying for your British citizenship. So this, guys, is my step 6 video in the series. I do have other videos leading up to the point of this video, so if you are interested how to go about it, then I would suggest you go and watch those videos before you actually watch this video, so that you guys can get a full picture how I came to be at this point. Okay, so I have recently received an email from Home Office stating that my application for British citizenship has been approved and I can go ahead and book my British citizenship ceremony. Now, that same day I got in touch with the county council, obviously where I plan to have my British citizenship ceremony. I obviously emailed them. I said to them, to whom it may concern, I've recently been approved for my British citizenship and would like to book my British citizenship ceremony. They replied to me to say that we have not received your certificate. Can you please email the office with your invitation letter from Home Office so we can advise the office to need to contact you. So I went ahead and forwarded my approval email to the local county council, and they later on told me that they have received my certificate. So when I got in touch with the county council that I was going to have my British citizenship ceremony, they said to me that there's no current date available, that I would have to go ahead and wait. Okay, so my British citizenship obviously got approved in February, and they said the next available date would be in June sometime. And I thought to myself, that's a bit far. And then I opted in to have my private British citizenship ceremony, which was actually the following week. So like I said, I got approved on the 14th of February, and on the 23rd of February I booked for my British citizenship ceremony. Now obviously it's a private British citizenship ceremony, which means that you have to pay additional fee. Okay, and it will just be me, myself and I at that citizenship ceremony. So I went ahead and booked that privately, and I paid an additional fee of, let me have a look, £85. It cost me £85 to have my private citizenship ceremony, okay, which I think personally is not that bad, seeing that it was actually the following week they had availability for that. Okay, so if you are opting in rather to have a group ceremony, that is already included in your application fee, so you don't have to pay additional fee on top of that. If you're going to be having a private ceremony, that obviously is different. So the day of my British citizenship ceremony, I arrived, obviously arriving a bit earlier to the time of your appointment, and I had to show them my email to say that I have been approved for my British citizenship, and then I also had to go ahead and show them my passport or some form of an ID, if that makes any sense. And they registered me. If I tell you guys that this was literally the shortest ceremony of my life, it was like in and out. So prior to you actually having your British citizenship ceremony, you have to decide whether you're going to swear the oath or the affirmation, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm going to try and insert the difference on the screen, and you have to basically decide. It's a personal choice which one you want to go for. So you have to choose one of the two. In addition to that, you have to take a pledge. Okay, so those are the two things that you will be doing at your British citizenship ceremony. Upon arriving, like I said, I went ahead and showed them my ID. I got registered. Then they went ahead and carried me through the whole citizenship ceremony. And then literally they asked me to stand up, and then obviously I said the oath of alliance as well as the pledge. And then obviously we got to sit down again, and they carried on talking about all the responsibility I have now that I am a British citizen. Thereafter they made me to stand up and we sang the national anthem. Okay, so at that point in time, because I was by myself, obviously I didn't need to sing the national anthem, but obviously I still stood up for the sense of respect when the national anthem music was playing. When that was done and dusted, guys, then I was handed this certificate. So this, guys, is the certificate that they gave to me on the day of my British citizenship ceremony. It basically specifies the certificate of naturalisation as a British citizen. It's got my full name, my date of birth, place and country of birth, and issued, and obviously my own personal certificate number and reference number, as well as the date when this British citizenship certificate was acquired. In addition to that, they also have given me this being a British citizen. Inside this, they also gave me basically a booklet sort of in regards to citizenship ceremony. In this folder that they gave you, here is written the oath of alliance and the affirmation of alliance and pledge of loyalty over here. All right, that's what they have put in there. And then they've also obviously have a congratulations on becoming a British citizen. You can now apply for your passport, and this is basically just a guide showing how you can go ahead and apply for your passport. It also talks about dual nationality and whether you're going to renounce your other nationality or not. Once again, guys, like I said, you have to do your adequate research when uptaking on British citizenship, just to make sure that you don't have to renounce your other citizenship. So that is all the information that's in there, really. So in my next video, guys, I am going to be showing you guys, or rather carry guys, how to go about and apply for your British passport online, because obviously, guys, that's step 7 in the series. So if you are interested, then please stay tuned for that. So we are reaching to the end of the series, guys, which I'm happy about because it is a long time coming. I hope that all the information that I am sharing is helpful to some extent. So overall, this was my British citizenship ceremony experience. It is a very memorable moment. Well, for me, I could say that. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please stay tuned for my next step, because you really want to watch that next step. And I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.